Hello friends, sometimes you forget your Gmail account or you forget your username or mobile number of your Gmail account, and when you enter wrong email ID you will get this type of error. Enter a valid email or a mobile number. If you know your mobile number of your Gmail account, you can know all the Gmail account associated with that mobile number, and you can recover your Gmail account through this. Let's see the process how to recover your Gmail account with your mobile number. So let's start the process. Now for recovering your amount, you must know your email ID or a mobile number first. So let's see how to recover with your mobile number. Click on your forget email. Now enter the mobile number you remembered which is associated with your account number. Now after entering the mobile number, click next. Now you need to provide your first name and the last name which you have given in your email account which you want to recover. Now enter your first name first and after that the last name. Now click next. Now after doing this, Google will ask you to send a verification email code on that mobile number from which you want to recover your email account. So click on this send button. Now the verification code has been sent on your mobile number associated with that account. Now enter that code. Now Google will show you all the associated Gmail accounts with that number. So through this you can recover your Gmail accounts. Thanks for watching the video.